the ultimate bike experience is here. Introducing the Superstrata, the world's first unibody carbon fiber composite bike, custom made for you. Each one of our Superstrata bikes is 3D printed with continuous carbon fiber to custom fit your size, ride style, and riding experience. Our frame is made for your frame, which means it'll fit you. And you too. Our bikes are created with precision lasers and robots with quality ensured by our PhD-educated pros. That means a single unibody frame with no joints, no bolts, and no glue. Just one solid piece of industrial-grade carbon fiber. Made of the most advanced composite materials of any bike on the market, the frame is so light it weighs less than 2 water bottles. Seriously, we tested that. Our unique unibody design makes the Superstrata more impact-resistant than any other carbon fiber bike on the market. Super light, super strong, this bike is nothing short of revolutionary. Looking for upgrades? We got you covered. Underneath the strong bones is an intelligent infrastructure for power and data flowing throughout the bike. Add all the gadgets you want after the campaign, or none at all, and focus on the ride. Roads, gravel, touring, or visiting grandmother's house at the top of that really steep hill without even breaking a sweat. Our beautiful battery design fits right into your custom-fitted frame, so you can hardly tell it's an e-bike. With its lightweight frame, comfortable ride, and high-quality specs, the Superstrata is the last bike you'll ever need. It will feel like it was made just for you, because it was.
Hi, I'm Wiener Mondesir, the CTO and co-founder of Superstrata. Carbon fiber bikes have been around for decades. They're known for being lightweight and beautiful. Unfortunately, they're also known for being fragile. One hit and your $10,000 bike, it's in pieces. We've solved that. Our engineers have built a unibody carbon fiber frame that's ultra strong and light. But don't take my word for it. Here's 2-time Olympian and world record holder, Sky Christopherson.
To have a carbon bike that's light, but also really tough, is like a dream come true.
Hi, I'm Sunny Vu, CEO for Superstrata. To make the Superstrata possible, we've brought together an incredible team of materials specialists, scientists, engineers, designers. Our designer, Bill Stevens, he's an award-winning designer who's designed bikes like the ones that have won the Tour de France. Our team has shipped millions of units of products in the past, so I am confident we can deliver above your expectations. We just need your support to make this happen, so reserve your custom Superstrata today.
We are Lafitte. 2 years ago, we launched Lafitte S1, a powerful and compact water scooter. In doing so, we became the first brand in the world to develop and produce a modular underwater scooter. Now we are back with an even more versatile and entertaining water scooter, one you have never seen before. This is the Lafitte C1. Now, more people get to enjoy this amazing product. We present to you the water scooter that is suitable for the entire family. We kept the modularity with this new design, but made it more compact with even superior user experience. The dual-motor engine is more stable and easier to operate. Its lithium battery is compliant with airline regulations. Built-in smartphone or action camera mount allows you to film your adventure anytime, anywhere. Lafitte C1's compact size allows it to fit easily into a backpack. But despite its petite size, it also packs a ton of power, thanks to its highly efficient BL DC motor. Lafitte C1 has 2 speed modes, which allow you to go as slow as 1.3 meters per second or as fast as 1.6 meters per second in 20 meters underwater. The duck design is now more practical after the optimization of CFD. The motor forms a certain angle, which prevents current from splashing on the body, making it more comfortable when using. So now you can enjoy swim underwater without needing to kick your legs incessantly, which saves you energy and stay longer underwater. What's more, we created 3 different use cases for users of all ages and of all levels. Switch between classic mode, pool float mode, and kickboard mode seamlessly without any extra tools or assembly. The Classic mode allows you to enjoy scuba diving, free diving, snorkeling, and more for you to discover. Kickboard mode makes it perfect for you or your family to learn how to swim, or simply just hanging at the pool. Pool float mode, meanwhile, allows you and your family to just have fun floating around in the water, giving you limitless options for water entertainment. Lafitte is dedicated to bringing more fun to aquatic activity luggers with ingenuity. We hope that every innovation we have each time will bring you and your family an unprecedented experience and happiness. We set out to craft the perfect devices for aquatic activities, which allow more people to enjoy them as well. Enjoy the brand new Lafitte C1's super early bird price only in this campaign. Don't hesitate and join us now and be one of the first to enjoy Lafitte C1.
We designed Trilight for all drivers. It's something that can do them a favor. Something that can also make them safer. Introducing Trilight, the 7-in-1 car partner.
We all like to ride our bikes, but in today's urban jungle, it's not always safe. That is why Smart Bike created Most importantly, your rides with HEXAGON will be more safe, connected, and fun. HEXAGON, change the way you ride.